Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to reply to an Instagram story using emojis on your PC with the latest Instagram update. This new feature makes it super easy and fun to engage with your friends' stories right from your computer, adding a lively touch to your interactions. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home feed where you can see stories from people you follow at the top of the screen. Next, click on the story you want to reply to. These stories appear as circular profile icons at the top. Just select the one you want to view, and the story will open up for you to watch. Now, at the bottom of the story, you'll see the message bar labeled something like Send Message. Click on this bar to activate it. This is where you can type a message or, in this case, choose an emoji to reply with. After clicking the message bar, a selection of emojis will pop up for you to choose from. Browse through the emojis and select the one that best expresses your reaction to the story. Simply click on your favorite emoji, and it will be sent instantly as a reply to that story. That's all there is to it. This update makes it easier than ever to respond quickly and creatively without typing a full message. Emojis are a great way to convey your feelings and keep your conversations lively and expressive. So next time you see a story that catches your eye, don't hesitate to hit that message bar and send an emoji reaction right from your PC. Enjoy connecting with your friends in a more fun and vibrant way on Instagram.